Welcome to BAOBAB with Taste Natural Spice and Remedy Class 2. Today we are going to talk about this natural leaf. That is the baobab leaves. The scientific name is the Adansonia decetata. These leaves contains protein, carbohydrate, fiber, vitamins A, B1, B2, and C. I've prepared some stew with these wonderful leaves. Just have a look at it. Very delicious, sumptuous, and then mouth-watering. These leaves stimulate your immune system. It will boost your immune system if you take more of this. And also it reduces cancer development. If there's any cancer cells multiplying in your system, it reduces it. And then if you have poor bladder running in your system, when you take more of this, it will correct it. And then it works on your kidney. If you have asthma as well, it will you take more of this and then it will vanish. All too soon, viewers, we've come to the end of this lesson. I hope you've tapped something knowledgeable from these lessons. And then you need to utilize what nature has for us. So take some leaves and prepare it at home. And then use it for your various food and porridges. Thanks so much. See you in the next class. Bye.